Yeah, I see him. This is what he does. He climbs up on the banister. Oh, and then he gets onto my little greenhouse. And then he's going to jump to get those seeds. Let's see if I can get him filmed. Oh, look at here. Red-handed. Caught you. Nope, he went back down. Let's see if he's going to try it again. He might see me in this window. Nope, he's gone for now. I see what he's doing now. He climbs up here on my banister, and then I even saw him get on top of this here greenhouse, and then he jumps his little behind right up here to get those seeds. They're so greedy. I feed the squirrels, they just greedy. All right, I'm gonna catch him. Sooner or later, I'm gonna get him. Look at him. Guilty as charged. Oh, you still gonna try it? With me standing right here. What you gonna do? Oh, I thought so. You fat anyway. Yeah, he just walked away for a moment. He's a sneaky little devil. A love-hate relationship with these jokers right here. I feed them, they eat everything.